subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has officially launched its new budget smartphone in India called Vivo Y11 2019 edition. This Vivo Y11 2019 smartphone was first launched in Vietnam in the month of October. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y11 supports a 6.35-inch Halo Full View display with HD+ resolution. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 chipset paired with Adreno 505 GPU. The device packs with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of inbuilt storage. In terms of camera, the Vivo Y11 comes equipped by dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 13MP primary camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP secondary camera with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, there is an 8MP camera at the front with f1.8 aperture. The camera features include professional mode, palm capture, voice control, HDR, portrait bokeh, AI beauty, and more. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 9 Pie out of the box based on the top of FunTouch OS 9, and it comes backed by a large 5000 mAh battery. The connectivity option on the phone include Wi-Fi, 4G, Bluetooth 4.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The physical dimensions of the phone is listed to measure at 159.63 by 76.77 by 8.92 mm and weighs around 190.5 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y11 2019 smartphone has been priced in India for 8,990 Indian rupees, which roughly translates to $126. The smartphone is now available for purchase in India in mineral blue and agate red color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y11 2019 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.